Welcome to our rice cooker showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker and the CUCKOO CR0675FW. We'll look at their features, cooking technology, and user-friendliness to see which one comes out on top. Whether you're a rice enthusiast or just looking for a reliable kitchen appliance, this video will help you make an informed decision. The Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker employs a conventional thermostat-based cooking method, which is straightforward and reliable for basic rice cooking. In contrast, the CUCKOO CR0675FW utilizes advanced fuzzy logic technology, allowing it to adjust cooking parameters automatically based on the type of rice being prepared. This results in perfectly cooked rice every time, regardless of the grain. When it comes to pricing, the Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker is more budget-friendly at approximately $79, making it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable cooker without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the CUCKOO CR0675FW is priced at around $129, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This higher price point may be justified for users who require versatility and precision in their cooking. The Zojirushi model is designed for simplicity, featuring a one-touch operation that is perfect for beginners. In contrast, the CUCKOO model offers a more complex user interface with an LCD display and multiple menu options, which may be overwhelming for some users, but provides greater versatility for those who enjoy experimenting with different grains and recipes. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker and the CUCKOO CR0675FW have their unique strengths. If you prioritize simplicity and affordability, the Zojirushi is the way to go. However, if you're looking for advanced features and precision cooking, the CUCKOO is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.